Every Sunday in my mama's church, sneak some money out of mama's purse. While she was praying, I would slip away down to the pool hall. I'd play all day. I'd meet her home, she'd shake her head. You're fluffing pillows on the devil's bed. And I'd say, Mom, I know just how you feel, but I made enough to cover all our bills. Too good for heaven and too good for hell. Little wings are better than big tails. I don't expect to sit at God's right hand, but I can empty heaven's garbage can. Oh, hope there's room on them golden streets for stray dogs and alley cats like me. They won't let me in the big front gate. Maybe I could sneak in the back way. My halo probably wouldn't shine real bright, but it would get me through the clouds at night. And I don't care if I'm the last to sing, if I got the smallest set of wings. I watch them little devils down on earth and follow them when they sneak out of church. Bad for heaven and too good for hell. Little wings are better than big tails. I don't expect to sit at God's right hand, but I could empty heaven's garbage can. Oh, hope there's room on them golden streets for stray dogs and alley cats. Stray dogs and alley cats. Stray dogs and alley cats like me.